Joshi is here by taking a video on components of ecosystem. This is a topic from class 10th science. Okay, the chapter name is our environment. So this is one of the topics. So in this video we will study about the components of ecosystem and especially biotic components. Okay, biotic components. In the previous video already their abiotic components are explained. Abiotic means non-living, and in this video we will study about the living component. So biotic components means all the living organism present in an ecosystem, they form the biotic component. Regarding the mode of obtaining food, these biotic components are classified into three categories. Number one, producer. Number two, consumer. And number three, decomposers. So we will study these components or these three categories of biotic components in detail. So here is here are producers. So producers means it includes all the green plants, cyanobacteria and some bacteria. Means in short we can say all those organisms which can trap sunlight, means solar energy, and can make their own food, they come to this category of producers. Okay, as they have the photosynthetic pigment, so they can trap and they can make simple carbohydrates like glucose using inorganic substances. So this way solar energy is converted into the chemical energy. And consumers. Consumers means mainly we are talking of animals which are unable to synthesize their food. So they utilize materials and energy which is stored in the producers. Okay, that is means directly or indirectly they are using the energy stored by the producers, means to the consumers we can call as heterotrophs, means heterotrophs and the consumers are the same thing. Okay, we can make more categories of consumers. We can call as primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, quaternary consumers. Further we can categorize them into the sequence. Like in the primary consumers, when we say, so this includes animals which eat plants or their products, means we are talking of the herbivores. So herbivores are the primary consumers, means first order consumer also they are called as. So in this category cattle, goat, deer, rats, etc., they come to primary consumers. Secondary consumers means these includes which feed on the flesh of herbivore, means next order, second order. Okay, so in this category there comes cat, dog, fox, etc., many more. And when we say tertiary consumer means these are larger carnivores. These are the larger carnivores which feed on primary carnivores like large fish, water birds, snakes, wolves, etc. And when we say quaternary consumers means these are top level consumers, means these are the largest carnivores which feed on the tertiary consumers, and these quaternary consumers they are not eaten by any other animals like tigers, sharks, lions and crocodiles. So these are the consumers and their categories. Third category of biotic component is decomposers. So decomposers mainly include bacteria and fungi. These two are there, and uh, they are also called as the saprotrophs. So they obtain food from the organic material of the producers and the consumers or their waste products. Means when producers or consumers they die, fungi and bacteria act on them degrade those plant and animal parts into simple organic molecules which they utilize for themselves. And during that process, inorganic substances are released into the environment and which can be reused as a raw material by the producer. So this important thing is done by the decomposers. Means in short we can say they help in cleaning the environment, they reduce the pollution level, because dead plants and animals, they are just decomposed into the, and decomposed means all those complex materials are broken up into simpler ones and returned to the nature. We can use the word they, all the materials are returned to the nature, and this is possible only by the action of the decomposers. And in this way they make the materials available for the new one, and they provide space also for the new life. Okay, so they play very important role in the nature, and that's why they have the great importance.